nephrons. Nephron is a structural and functional unit of kidney. Around there are 1 million nephrons in each kidney. So the structure of nephron can be divided into two parts, that is the glomerular region as well as the renal tubule region. Let's see what's there in this glomerular region. Glomerular region has a glomerulus. Glomerulus is a tuft of capillaries which enters the Bowman's capsule by the afferent arteriole. Here the letter starting is A and it passes out by the efferent arteriole, and here the letter is E. First one is with the letter A and the second is with the letter E. So the blood enters the Bowman's capsule or the nephron by the afferent arteriole and passes out by the efferent arteriole. This is a double layered structure which we call it as Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule and glomerulus together we call it as Malpighian body. After this we have a region which is highly convoluted, which is called as proximal convoluted tubule. Even in this side also we will see a distal convoluted tubule. Now how to remember this? This glomerular region is near to this proximal convoluted tubule. This part of my body I will call it as proximal because it is near. This part I will call it as distal because it is at a distance. So which is that part which is near to the Bowman's capsule? That is this part. So we call it as proximal convoluted tubule. It is made up of microvilli which will increase the surface area for absorption. Next is the distal convoluted tubule which continued by this Henle's loop. It is far, so we call it as distal convoluted tubule. From here, from proximal convoluted tubule, we can see the region like a U shape or a hairpin like shape. This is called as a Henle's loop. It is continued by the descending limb. This is descending and this is ascending. Descending limb and this is the ascending limb. Descending limb is made up of squamous epithelium. It is thin and long, which is involved, like it will be allowing the water to pass out easily, absorb easily, and it is also having few amount of mitochondria in it. And this part is the Henle's loop which continues into ascending limb. Ascending limb is very thick and it is made up of flattened cuboidal cells. And here you see this red color marking. This is called as the vasa recta. This vasa recta as well as the Henle's loop. This is involved in the countercurrent mechanism which we will be studying later. Then it is ascending limb is continued to form the distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule then leads to the collecting duct. See the collecting duct, I have drawn one collecting duct, many nephrons. Imagine there is one more nephrons which will coil and it will leave its secretions in this collecting duct. So in this picture I have drawn a center line which differentiate the nephron into two parts. This Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. All these three regions are in the cortex region of the kidney. We know that the region of the kidney is divided into two parts, that is the cortex and the medulla. So the Bowman's capsule or the glomerulus as well as the PCT and the DCT, these are in the cortex region of the kidney, whereas the descending ascending limb as well as the Henle's loop, it is in the medullary region of the kidney. Thank you.